Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm gonna be showing you how to log out or sign out of your Amazon Prime Video application. So let's get started right away. First of all, launch Open Prime Video application and make sure that you're inside the home page. Once you're in it, go ahead and tap on the profile icon at the top right. Now, tap on the settings or the gear icon at the top right from your profile page, and this will open up the settings interface. Scroll down and tap on My Account, and then in order to log out of your account, tap on Sign Out. Remember that you will need your Amazon account's credentials to log in back to your Prime account as well. So next time you sign in, you will need to provide your email address or your phone number followed by your password. So that's how easily you can sign out or log out of Amazon Prime Video application. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.